In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Outlook tasks as a to-do list. This handy feature will help you organize your daily schedule and keep track of important deadlines effortlessly. Whether you're managing work projects, personal errands, or just keeping up with daily habits, Outlook tasks can be a powerful ally in your productivity arsenal. So, let's get started on transforming your Outlook into the ultimate task manager. First, open Outlook on your computer. Once it's up and running, you'll want to look for the tasks or to-do icon, depending on the version of Outlook you're using. Some versions might display tasks, some might boast Microsoft To Do, and yet others might offer planner integration. All of these will route you to a workspace where you can manage your tasks. Next, let's create a task. You'll want to start by clicking on New Task. This is where you can enter all the essential details of your task. Start by typing in a task name, something clear that tells you exactly what this task is about. Then you can add a due date, setting a specific time by which your task should be completed. Don't forget to add a reminder, which can help ensure you don't miss any important deadlines. If there are any specific notes or details you need to remember about this task, this is the perfect place to jot them down. Once everything looks good, simply click on Save and Close to ensure your task is safely stored and ready for review. To keep your tasks tidy and more manageable, you'll want to organize them using lists. Creating separate lists can help you focus on specific areas of your life. Consider making lists like work, personal, urgent, video ideas, and daily tasks. This way, you can easily sort through various tasks based on context or priority without feeling overwhelmed by an endless list. If you're using Microsoft To Do, creating lists is a breeze. Click on New List, name the list accordingly, and begin adding tasks. For each task, you can set due dates, reminder times, and even a repeat schedule for recurring tasks. This is particularly useful for keeping up with bills, planning meetings, adhering to deadlines, and forming daily habits. Another powerful feature of Outlook is the ability to flag emails as tasks. This transforms incoming messages into actionable items in your to-do list. To do this, navigate to the email you wish to turn into a task, right-click, and select Follow Up. Here you have the option to choose between scheduling the task for today, tomorrow, or any custom date you prefer. Once flagged, these emails will automatically appear in your Tasks or To-Do section. By incorporating these steps, you can leverage Outlook to efficiently manage your to-do list, saving time and boosting productivity. I hope this helps you organize your tasks seamlessly. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.